Arındas kevul tola aşkı sazım var sağan. Seni kuşsam deyip yetkendey tavvasay, asal tolkunlar hem intizar sağan. Seni kuşsam deyip yetkendey tavvasay, asal tolkunlar hem intizar sağan.
Şaşlarındı, jelpep oynağın ey, salkın samallar hem intizar sağlar. Sümbül şaşlarındı, jelpep oynağın ey, salkın samallar hem intizar sağlar.
Kuduk çaykalgan derya kanarı, boz duman ardında tavlar münarı. Tangda tavvas yetken isharidari, altın dalalarım intizar sağan. Tangda tavvas yetken isharidari, altın dalalarım intizar sağan. Paşası ay yüzlü dilbare, tuğur üsken yerler intizar sağan. Ak altın paşası ay yüzlü dilbare, tuğur üsken yerler intizar sağan. Tuğur üsken yerler intizar sağan.
Kimbap.
Var.
Canım ey.
Lan götür abi, korkuz.
Korkuz mu? Kurdum.
Bak kahvet oldu.
Была здесь. Испарилась.
Aa bunu ben ketime.
Тоқта. А подарки?
Hoplar ise han. Тілен тілегisi.
Хочу, чтобы на Новый год все мои друзья были.
Aslan
Something you need?
So, you heard anything about any, bounty hunters in these parts?
Ain't got a clue about that.
Hey, mister.
Morning.
That's a nice horse.
Appreciate it.
Hey, mister.
What'd you forget to do last time?
Hello, sirs.
You best not cause no more shit around here. Get on.
Hi there, mister.
Morning, partner.
Hey there, mister. Yep. Hey there!
Hello.
I've had better days, that's for sure. Yep. All right, boy. Yeah, that's it, boy. Yep. Out of the damn way.
Real job.
Hey, partner.
Oh, poor thing. Poor thing. Come here.
Hey! Need a hand with your horse?
Sounds good.
Shit.
Clear! I need to pass.
Damn.
For the love of God. Plenty of road to spare. Suggest you use it. It was you who did this? Do you feel like dying today?
Ah, forget it. Just get out of here. Ah, just get out of here.
What happened? Not so tough after all?
It ain't even worth it. Just go.
You done for!
Job! No!
Shit.
Them will take you.
This ain't happening.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Out of the way! Morning. Hey, mister. Yeah. Hi there, mister.
Watch it, I know how much you're worth.
This is Seamus. He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Prospective new partner, if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is, as I said. Keep your voices down. I don't want my boss hearing. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves to this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
I'm an old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough. And you know I ain't dead.
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots. Let us prove it to you.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Arthur.
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that, and then we can work together.
Who's old Bob Crawford?
An acquaintance of mine.
So you want us to take out your competition?
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage. I also want to see if you boys got what it takes. Now, you survive that.
Where is he?
He's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. It's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house, but that's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more, and they'll know it was me.
But you're fine with us robbing your cousin.
By marriage. And yes, I'd love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Really?
Really. Lead the way. He said the place is just northwest of here.
Me?
You're the one who's been out gallivanting around here.
That's what you call it. Clearly you've recovered from your bear encounter.
Could have played that better, couldn't you?
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Hosea. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect. He won't cause us any problems. A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches, that's easy money for us.
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now.
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
A little. Owner's a nasty type by all accounts. Seamus is sure scared of him. Hey, let's keep it down now. We must be close. That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on. There's the house. You see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there. Okay, let's take a quick look at the place.
Anyone around?
Yes. Okay. I reckon we can do it now. I'll head over, distract him by putting on a little show while you sneak into the house, find what you can, then get the stagecoach. Or wait until nightfall. Sneak in, then I'll get the coach. You can try the house. What do you think?
Let's do it now.
Sure. All right, then. Don't follow me. Wait until I have them distracted outside, then sneak into the house. My good man! My good young man. Fairly well, fairly well. Is your father home, son?
Sure is.
Get him down. Please, get him down here.
Get lost, mister.
I was lost for many years. I was lost many years. Now I'm not. And you know what? Oh, here he is. Are you the father of the house? Sure. Pleasure to meet you. I was just chatting with Junior here a bit.
You sell
Corner? I'm not selling, sir. I'm giving it away. I was just telling, Junior, what's your name, son?
Robert Crawford III, sir.
Oh, pleasure to meet you. Both of yous. My name is...
You think you can rob us?
Was that really necessary, Arthur?
If I had $1 for every time I've been asked that.
Let's get the stagecoach. We need to leave now. Get on, Arthur. We don't have time to mess around here. Faster, Arthur. Come on. Come on, let's get out of here before the law shows up.
Yep.
Shit, there's a man coming. Just play it cool. Well done, Arthur. Hey! Come on, let's get out of here before the law shows up.
Yeah.
Shit, there's a man coming. Just play it cool. He might not know the situation here. Slow it down a bit. Damn it, he's going for the law. Do something. You have to stop him. Use your talents, Arthur. Come on, let's get out of here before the law shows up. Shit, there's a man coming. Just play it cool. He might not know the situation here.
Hold it right there.
No!
What the hell did you do
Yep.
that for? Well, I guess he can't tell the law now. Okay, let's get going. Slow down. You'll burn out the horses. We could have done this without killing anyone.
It worked out. We got everything we needed.
That's not the point. It might not have... What if there were more people around we didn't know about?
You deal with them too.
All right. Fine, it's done now. Let's just get back to Emerald Branch and turn this in. Why aren't we on the damn road? Hey, slow it down. So what were you able to lift from the house?
I didn't actually make it inside. Was too busy watching your show.
What? I was supposed to be distracting them, not you. You're gonna crash if you don't slow down.
This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry. Okay, here we are. Just pull the coach into the barn there. Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
If you find any other coaches that need selling, I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
Nah, I'll catch up with you later.
Okay. Stay out of trouble.
Let's go, boy. I need to find a ranch maid here called Lily Millet. You know where she is?
Nuh-uh.
Hey there, partner.
What you need, friend?
Stay here, boy. Come on, boy. You know where Lily Millet is?
She's with Cooper over by the store.
Okay. See you around. Back here.
Hey, easy now.
Here?
No, you ain't gotta do this.
I'm done with you. Just go. Hey,
Somebody help!
not so fast. You stop right now.
Oh, hell no!
Okay then,
Oh,
partner.
please don't!
Hold still.
No!
You wanna die?
Wait a minute.
Mind yourself, partner.
Hey, all right, now to work.
Holy shit!
Oh, please, help! Help! Good God!
out of here.
Can I please get some assistance?
Man.
Untie me now. Oh, shit.
Moaning won't help you. What you saw, you forget about it. Or I'll find you. Now, I'm just gonna check your pockets.
Fine, fine. Not a peep. Hey.
Here we go. Wait up, people!
Well, what is it? I ain't
Move.
much for stopping.
God damn it!
Walk with your eyes open. These days ain't short.
You know what? Hold it.
One day soon, someone's gonna put a hole in you.
Stop there a second, folks.
I'm put you on the ground.
Yeah. Hey, easy. Easy. Whoa. Hey now. Easy there. That's right, girl. Easy. Settle down, girl. Here you go. Come on. Yep. Slow it up. Yeah, that's it, boy. Let's get this heavy thing off you, girl. Yep. Get up. Here. Out of the damn way. Yeah. Son of a bitch. Stay here, boy. Hey, mister.
It'll take your hat off. It'll cost a sweet penny to get out of this, friend. You borrow from the O'Driscoll boys.
What you staring at?
You pay
Move along.
the O'Driscoll boys.
I made it right.
Looks like you need a lesson. Oh, sweet Jesus! You old Driscolls are pathetic.
God damn it, I know you. You filth. Hold them high or else. Please just stop. Raise them hands, or I will bury you in a shallow grave. Have it. Ah! So that bastard! Now get in there. Ah! Reward for the man who brings me his head. Ah! It's too damn late! Push up on it! What are we doing? This piece of shit is no match for us!
Real hungry here.
Hello, mister.
Hello there, mister.
Hey there, mister.
What's the matter with you?
Hey there.
Can I get a few cents?
Hi there, mister.
Partner?
Hey, partner.
You want trouble with me?
Hey, mister.
Hello.
Somebody help me out. I was in the army.
Come on, boy.
I'm close to breaking you in. Leave me alone.
Hey there.
Hey, mister.
Hi there, mister.
We got a problem or something?
Hey there, mister.
You this bored you want to make an enemy?
Hey, folks. Hello, sir. Hello. I always say, manners cost nothing.
I know.
Mister?
Hello.
Uh-oh, mister. Hey, mister.
Hello, sir.
Hi there, mister.
Hello.
Howdy.
Hello.
Welcome to you and your horse. Got some stable space for rent if you're interested. I gotta pay you a little less because of the missing paperwork, okay? Sure. I'm happy to take the reins on this one. Be sure to let everyone know where you got this nag groomed. I'll make this horse prettier than you. Anything to keep the horses happy, right? Huh. Really? you're gonna want a saddle that fits for you and the horse. I can't tell you how many times I use that one. That's the same one I use, too. You know, a horse can tell when you're using a cheaper saddle. I can't tell you how many times I use that one. Oh, yeah. That's a smart choice for your saddle. I'm thinking of putting signs up for the shop along those bumpy roads just down the way. I think that'd bring in some business. All right. A good choice. Need a break from that horse. You're always welcome back.
Hey, mister.
Evening.
Let's go, girl. How's it going with you?
Come on, what's this about?
You're getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
Come on, I ain't needing no quarrels today.
Come on. I will kill you right here.
Okay, damn, just take it.
Wasting my time. Just get out of here.
Just don't do nothing. I'm leaving. Hey, lawman! Shit. Stop that no-good bastard.
Hey, get away from me!
Head, fellers. Shit!
He's stuck in there! Who's gonna get that man? Someone gonna get them? One of you fellas better club that. Are you waiting for permission?
Howdy, fellers.
Mister.
Partner, you break the peace here again, gonna end bad for you.
Mister?
Mister. Less you a lady of the line, I'd like a little more room. This your way of stretching your luck? All right, let's get this done. Just for you. Shit. Enough is enough.
Oh, goddamn believable.
Here you go. Come on now.
Oh, you are going down.
This what you want? Hey, move it!
Hey, open your eyes.
Didn't mean nothing by it. Reach for your money and nothing else. Make me hurt you.
Fine. Here.
hell you think you're doing?
You want some of this?
Hope you had a nice life.
Dumb sons of bitches!
What the? Damn it!
Come on!
Go get him, damn it! Come on! Okay, let's do that. Oh, we got ammo for days over here. Your ass is dead. You are the wrong job. Hands off.
Damn it! Yep. Whoa, whoa!
You know, I've been drinking this snake oil. I swear, it don't even do nothing.
Don't bring a gun into this.
What am I looking for? Doesn't look like much.
If you're having...
Heads up, fellas. Ain't no need for more transgressions.
I'm just bored. Let me put you out of your misery, you mangy cur.
You rock, you son of a bitch. Take a look around. This is the last place you'll see alive.
Shit!
Come on, girl.
Yep. Yeah.
Looks safe to me. Hey, mister.
You got one
Hey.
mighty obvious tail there, partner.
Hello.
Hello. You want to join here?
This ain't good.
Nope.
Gonna have to stop soon. Ain't got the funds to keep going.
That sumbitch high rolls me again, I'm gonna wring his neck.
Thanks.
Here we go.
Look at you.
I'm in.
Call.
I know. It ain't too exciting.
Still have to do.
Oh, you're fun.
Sitting on duds, then. Nah. Yeehaw! This tastes real good.
That was a fun game.
So long. Keep lucky. Well, hitting my stride. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Some folks just
Look at me.
too lucky.
You're gonna regret this. I ain't even gonna acknowledge
Gonna
you.
need all your money, my friend. But you got a big problem.
No, Jesus!
Forget it, you ain't worth it.
Lord in heaven! Get help!
That boy ain't right in the head.
Please, please!
They won't forget no Driscoll anytime soon.
Calm down now, we'll take care.
God damn it! Damn it! Devil's Folks with country justice. And you fools are done. Get up! Got you. You better not breathe a word to the law.
I've done this before. You don't need to worry about me.
Hey, Arthur! What do you want?
Uncle told me something about a train.
What did he say?
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk rolling down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border.
Yes.
Need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night, not too guarded, it's perfect.
Nah, I ain't thought it through. Stopping a train, pain in the ass.
Sure, but what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable, oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to be cooked alive.
That is kind of brilliant. For you. That is a real idea. I think that's the first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be the first bastard to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent.
So we doing it?
Yeah, we're gonna need ammunition, guns, look real frightening, and some dynamite to open up the train.
I'll get the supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask. You go find us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border, north of a place called Dewberry Creek. Leave it hidden somewhere near there.
Okay, I think that's enough for me.
Keep it coming.
Are you mad at me?
No, I'm just trying to think. It was a heap of trouble, but I got Micah out of jail. Oh, thank you, Arthur.
Good morning.
So where is it? What you preparing for?
The greatest of gifts.
An unguarded stagecoach.
No, you simply...
Mount up then. Let's go.
Okay, girl.
You know, it was before my time, of course, but my mother used to tell me stories of how her tribe moved with the bison. They lived almost as one. Where the bison went, my people went. And they were the center of all life. We couldn't survive without them. They provided us with everything. Food, clothing, shelter, tools. There was a lot of respect.
Huh. I don't remember much of my childhood, but I think my people, well, we pretty much moved with the whiskey.
Well, my father did that too. Let's try over here, to the left. Over there. You see them all? Incredible, aren't they? We should only kill one of them. I'll keep them ringed in and you see if you can bring one down. Okay? Clean as you can.
Okay. Yeah. Come here. Hey!
Well done. All right. Skin and butcher it. Take the horns, too. It can all be used. Good job. Stow that on your horse and mount up. I wanna go check something out.
Okay, let's go. All right, girl. Where are we going?
I thought I saw some scavenger birds over here. Just wanted to see what attracted them. No. Look. Bison. Shot and left for dead, it looks like.
Why would someone do that?
I don't know. But I see tracks heading in this direction. I say we follow them.
All right. Lead the way. Could it have been an animal?
No, they've been shot. I just don't know why anybody would just leave them here to rot like that. Look, another dead bison. On the hill to the right.
Close.
Come on.
You got shit for brain?
Shot and left for dead again. But this one looks fresher.
There's a camp there. I'm gonna take a look. Let's go, girl. Dogs haven't gone cold yet. Maybe half a day since they left?
Bison's been dead about the same amount of time.
So what do you want to do?
They could still be in the area. Let's get up higher, see if we spot anything. This way. We should have a good view from up here. Okay. You see anything?
Son of a bitch! I see some smoke to the east. Maybe another camp? It's worth a look.
All right. Let's go. Bastards. Just killing for fun.
Think we can talk?
I don't kill for fun. I kill when I need to. Look, more dead bison. It has to be them. Come on.
Wait up.
Did you fools shoot those bison?
What's your problem?
I said, did you fools shoot those bison?
Calm down, you black or red bastard, whatever the fuck you are.
Did you shoot them?
Yes, we did. We shot them bison, we'll shoot you too if you don't get...
What business is it of yours? What? Wait.
It's that business of mine!
Good God, you're crazy! I got a family. A family. Don't shoot me.
Stand back, Charles. I'll get you some answers.
What the hell are you doing?
Why are you killing those bison and leaving them to rot?
I don't know what you're talking about.
God damn it, tell us or you're dead.
Oh, okay. We were paid to kill as many as we could and make it look like it was Indians.
Just kill him, Arthur.
No, please, don't kill me.
I've heard enough.
Damn right. That's what he deserved.
Okay. I'm gonna see if there's anything worth taking from their camp. I'll catch up with you later.
Push it, girl.
Yeah.
Take that mask off your face.
You ain't allowed to come much farther. This is private.
It's all good. Calm down.
I think you ought to make some tracks.
Sorry. No, I'll stop it now.
Could use some assistance with this.
I heard you. Head that way.
Final warning, or you regret the day you crossed me. To hell with you. You good as dead, asshole.
Out of the damn way.
Come on in. Take this.
God damn, no more joy.
Hellfire!
Don't you know how to
Go on, get lost!
Get. Shit, I'm out. Look out!
Look out!
Oh, sorry. Empty your pockets now, tough guy.
What's your problem?
All right, simmer down. Money, tough guy. Now.
This is all your
Come on, girl. Yeah.
Will you quit with that damn Mexican garnish?
Hey, Claire, we got a dangerous foreigner here!
Oh, por favor, necesito ayuda. Help! Te lo dije.
You must be real dumb! That's him!
Hey, shoot the lock. Get me out of here, por favor. Don't leave me here, please.
Yep.
¿Qué coño? Siempre me toca a mí.
Damn, I'm out of bullets.
Sí, muy bien. Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Giddy up. Giddy up. Yeah. Easy now. Yep. Yep. Come on, girl. Come on.
Did the university send you? Because if they did, they can get lost. I have never been so insulted in all my life. Really, laughed at. Balderdash. Are you quite certain you're not a spy? Those wretches will do anything to destroy me. My theories are correct, and I can prove it. I am the leading amateur paleontologist in the nation, and not one university will hire me because, unlike them, I actually have ideas.
You're a what?
I study dinosaurs. You know, big lizards.
Are they real?
Of course they're real, you nincompoop. And everywhere.
Everywhere?
This state was once a vast, shallow sea that had the most incredible animal that could walk, swim, and fly. Quite unique. I call it Totalisaurus. Just for now. I'm trying to gather all... the evidence. This Deborah McGinnis.
Arthur.
Good to meet you.
Come on, girl. Just wait a second, girl.
Go, darn Iron Nation!
Let's go, girl.
Help! Please! Anyone! Oh!
Hey, what's with the holler?
I got bit. Oh, God. Oh. I need medicine. Or a siphon. Oh! Oh! Oh!
All right. Quit moaning.
Oh! Oh, God.
Let's keep this between us.
Oh, you saved my life. I owe you.
Got that right.
I do.